calculator memory and resetting the device. Let's begin with talking about clearing the calculator memory. The Texas device has several different memories, one for each application. As a user, you must clear the memory of the application prior to use. The calculator does not require to clear the memory of all the applications prior to use. It's just the memory of the application that you intend to use. We're going to take a look at 5 examples of how to clear the calculator display and memory. Let's begin with clearing the display. In such a case, all you need to do is press the CE button. If you wish to clear the numbers stored under the time value of money buttons, you must press the second button and the FV button because it states clear TVM. If you wish to clear the data stored within the cash flow application, you must first enter the application and then erase the data within the application. Let's follow the steps. You will press the CF button and then you will press the second button and CE, that is clear work. If you wish to clear the stored numbers within your calculator, you must first enter the memory application and then erase the stored numbers. To do this, you will first press the second and MEM, which is 0. Once within the application, you can scroll up and down to see the numbers you've stored. If you would wish to erase these numbers, just press second and CE. To exit the memory application, press the second and quit. If you wish to clear the numbers stored in your data application used for statistics, once again, you must first enter the application to clear the memory. For that, you will need to press the second and number 7, that's for data. Once within the application, you can then press second and CE. If you wish to clear all the application memories in one go, you may consider resetting the device to factory default settings. Resetting the device. Following the below steps will reset your calculator to factory default settings and will erase all your saved computations and selected formats. Once the calculator has been reset, you will not be able to retrieve your saved computations or worksheets. So please follow these below steps with caution. To reset your calculator, press second, reset, enter, and your device has been reset back to factory default settings. If you wish to change your calculator settings to 9 decimal places once again, visit our video on the calculator format and how to change your decimals.